When we were looking for a global manager to partner with and offer their funds in Australia, one of the first things we wanted is an overseas manager, not an Australian domiciled manager. We found that there are plenty of Australian domiciled managers of overseas stocks, but far fewer that are genuinely being managed globally the way the Polen suite of funds are. The other thing that we were looking for is an established firm. We didn't want a startup. We wanted to invest with someone that had an excellent reputation and a long track record. We also wanted that long track record to be successful for obvious reasons. And we wanted an investor, we're looking for an investor who really focused exclusively on quality. Many of you have read Valuable, the book I wrote in 2010. And while it's ostensibly a book about value investing, you all know that the first 3 or 4 chapters are about identifying quality businesses. And I'm pleased to say that when we were first, dancing with Polen and looking at each other as a potential partner, I really thought, and I mean this in all honesty, I really thought, gee, you know what, they must have read Valuable. But in fact, they were established in 1979, long before the book was written, and so they were already dedicated to quality value investing, quality growth investing, I should say. Most importantly, we wanted to work with people who operated with integrity, and I'm delighted to say that after tonight's presentation, I'm sure you'll agree with me that we've found just such a partner. Polen was founded in 1979. They currently have $84 billion under management. They employ well over 100 staff through offices in Boca Raton, Boston, and London, so they truly are a global manager. Their flagship US focused growth fund, mind you, with very, very low turnover and also being fully invested, they've grown $1 since inception in 1989 by 14.93% per annum. To put that in perspective, that is a 10-fold increase after all fees and expenses. And to compare that to the S&P 500, over the same time frame, the US market has grown $1 into $3.47. I'm also particularly impressed by the very low drawdowns that have been experienced historically, and I'll leave the guys to talk to you about that a little bit later on in their presentations.